Let me ask you something. Have you ever had one of those days where you're stressed about the future, but also too tired to actually do anything about it? Yeah, welcome to your 20s. And here's the scary part. Your 20s will absolutely destroy you if you don't learn this one skill. Not discipline, not time management, not waking up at 5 a.m. It's something way more important, and nobody teaches it. Stick with me for 3 minutes. This might save you years of stress. The real problem no one talks about. So here's the thing. In your 20s, life hits you from every angle. Your friends look like they're moving forward. Instagram says everyone is successful already. Your parents want you to figure it out. Your brain just wants a break. And because of all this pressure, you start doing the one thing that ruins everything. You try to do everything at once. You want perfect grades, a perfect body, a perfect career plan, a perfect social life, so you end up doing nothing. Just scrolling, just stressing, just procrastinating. I'm telling you this from experience. I used to wake up every day feeling already behind. The skill that saves your 20s. So what's the skill? Prioritizing one thing at a time. That's it. The skill is learning to pick one thing that matters and actually finishing it. Sounds too simple, right? But this one shift is what separates the people who level up in their 20s from the people who stay stuck. Because here's the truth. Most people aren't lazy, they're overwhelmed. And overwhelm disappears the moment you choose the next tiny step, not the entire life plan. The one thing method. Use this tonight. Let me give you the exact system. Do this tonight and watch what happens. Step 1. Ask yourself one question. What's the one thing I can do tomorrow that will genuinely move my life forward? Not 10 things, not your whole to-do list, just one. Step 2. Make it stupidly simple. Not study 4 hours, just study one chapter. Not fix my entire sleeping schedule, just sleep 30 minutes earlier. Step 3. Do it before you check your phone, because once the phone opens, bro, the day is gone. Step 4. Build momentum, not perfection. Do one thing tomorrow, then one thing the next day. That's it. Success in your 20s isn't about being perfect, it's about consistently choosing the next right thing. Here's the crazy part. Once you master prioritizing, your stress drops, your confidence rises, and suddenly your life stops feeling like a mess because your brain finally believes, hey, I can do this. This is the skill nobody teaches, but once you learn it, your 20s stop destroying you, and they actually start building you. So tonight, before you sleep, pick your one thing for tomorrow, just one. Do it for a week. Watch how different you feel. And if this helped you, share it with a friend who's also low-key fighting for their life in their 20s. Let's level up together.